Hello friends, welcome to Space News channel. Today we will learn how to add two numbers in Solidity. So let's start. Open your browser, whatever you use, Chrome or anything, and now type remix.ide. So click on the first result that's appear. It will be redirected to remix.ethereum.org. Now close the pop-up. Right click on the contract and create a new file. File name should be add.sol. So this is our Solidity folder, Solidity file. Now we'll write Solidity license number, this version, Solidity version in our program. You can write it down or you can copy it from another folder. That's a better option to avoid any mistake. Now we'll start writing our contract. Contract name should be same as the file name. That's add.sol. So we'll write our name as add. Now we will declare three variables a, b and c. So before proceeding to next part, let's focus on the motto of this program. The motto is to add two numbers and store that result into a variable that's c. So we will write down two functions, that's get and set method. So let's start to write set method first. So we will use a keyword function and the function name is set. We will pass two parameters, that's I and j, and we will add a public keyword because our function is public so that we can access it outside the program. So now we will pass that I into a. We will put that j variable inside b, and now we will make the calculation. So our main backend part has been completed. That was our purpose, to add two numbers. Now we have a c which store the value of a and b. But now we need to access the c variable from a function, so we need to write down another function. Now we will write the get function to return the value of c, which is storing the sum of a and b. And now this function will return a value. We will write down int because result will be returned in integer. So now our another function has completed. So whenever we will call this get method, we will get the value of c as the sum of a and b. So now let's compile the this program. We can compile it either by clicking on this green button or from this sidebar. So we can either check auto compile, so program will be auto compiled. Now we can see that there is a green icon in right sidebar, so it signifies that our program has been compiled. There's no error. So now we can proceed for another task, that's to deploy. Now click on that deploy button. We can see that a smart contract has been created for that action, and now we can see that status is true and we do not have any input till now. But under deployed contract we can see that we have an option to pass I and j. So we'll click on this button set, and we can enter any value. As I and j, it can be 10 or 20. Now we'll click on transact. So another contract has been created for this transact. So we have passed two parameters 10 and 20 inside set method. So yes, we can see that here decoded input as I, 10 and 20. So now we will call get method to see if we get the result as 30 or not. So let's click on this get button. Yes, we got 30 as output and another contract has been created. So let's check the contract details. Here we can see that output is 30. So it has been called to add.get method. So that worked. Now we'll check for another function. We are deleting this, and now again we'll click on this deploy button. Another contract has been created. Now let's check. So this time we'll check for some bigger integer. Let's type 65 click on transact. Another content has been created. Let's check the output. Yes, it's 1647. It's working. So we pass two parameters into set method as I and j, and when we clicked on get button to get output, we are getting that one. So we have completed our program.